Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on attendance system using machine learning in Python. We have gone through a lot of videos on attendance system using machine learning, such as our main popular videos was Streamlit using attendance system, then TK interlibrary attendance system, Pickle using attendance system, most popular videos, then attendance system app, menu driven program using attendance system, MySQL using attendance system, and MongoDB using attendance system like login registration or login using MongoDB, using attendance system using MongoDB, and many more videos on attendance system. Today's video is about attendance system, a really different style. So let us begin with today's video. So first of all, we will go through the first part, capture the camera. Camera name, yes, my image is there, fine. Yes, oh shit, I forgot to give the semester, Sunday 2nd. Okay, I will give me full name. Second semester, yes. Now attendance.py, yes, fine. Then input.py, yes, fine. And at the last, Python 3 main.py. Yes, I done it. Sanjay, it is taking Sanjay. Yes. So I successfully done with attendance system in really different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on attendance system using different style, in different way, different manner, and more creative videos on support vector machine, DLIB library, image classification, TensorFlow, Keras. If possible, I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, one stack, full stack. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.